Good day. Today we'll be talking about supercharger and turbocharger. What is the difference between two of them, and where are the areas that they are the same, and what is the differences? That is what we are going to discuss today. Let's start with the first one, supercharger. A supercharger is an air compressor that increases the power and the density of air supplied to an internal combustion engine. It increases the density and the pressure of air supplied to internal combustion engine. So we call it air compressor. What about turbocharger? Turbocharger is also an air compressor that increases the pressure or density of air supply to an internal combustion engine. What about the second one? Supercharger increase the power and the efficiency of an engine. What about turbocharger? Turbocharger also increases the power and the efficiency of an engine. Well, let's go to the third one. Supercharger is not a turbine. It is never a turbine, but a turbocharger is a turbine. Why? Let's go to 4. 4. The function. To function, supercharger does not need exhaust waste gas. But when it comes to turbocharger, turbocharger always need the waste exhaust gas to function, because it's a turbine. To turn the shaft of the turbo, the exhaust gas is needed. But to function, a supercharger does not require that. Then where does it get the source of the power for supercharger? That's number 5. The 5th one, to function, supercharger need a mechanical source of power, like a V-belt or shaft or chain that will connect it to the engine crankshaft that will supply it power for it to generate air to add to the efficiency of an engine. But when it comes to turbocharger, no, turbocharger does not require belt, chain or shaft. No, it only requires, because it's a turbine, it only requires waste exhaust gas to function very well. And that is the difference between a turbocharger and a supercharger. Two of them do the same thing. They increase the power of the diesel engine without increasing the engine itself. Two of them are air compressor. They increase the power, the pressure, and the density of air that supply to internal combustion engine. The two of them increase the efficiency of the engine. But when it comes to turbine, turbocharger is a turbine, but supercharger is not and never a turbine. Why do you say so? Because it uses V-belt, it can be belt, it can be chain, or it can be shaft that turn your supercharger. But when it comes to turbocharger, no, it only uses exhaust fumes or exhaust gas, the waste exhaust gas, to turn the turbine. So two of them do the same work, but their source of power differs. So that is the difference between your supercharger and your turbocharger. Do well to subscribe to my channel, Mr. Engine. Like this, I continue to teach how diesel engine work efficiently. So do well to subscribe to my channel and go and give me thumbs up if you truly enjoy this class or what we have discussed so far. Go and give me thumbs up. Thank you, thank you, thank you.